start with your hearing aids off. This is achieved by holding down the button on the back of the hearing aids for 5 seconds. A green light will flash 3 times to signify the hearing aids turning off. To turn the remote control to on, slide the switch down to display the white line. Switch the hearing aids on by pressing the button on the back of the hearing aids for 5 seconds. The hearing aids will flash green once when turning on. Remove the silver cap at the base of the remote control 2. Using a pen, press the small white button once. The screen will light up and show when both hearing aids are successfully paired.